Hi everyone, it's February 1st and you know what that means. The first of the month and my new Keto Crate is here. So I look forward to this each month to see what goodies I get to try. So this is a subscription service. You sign up for this subscription and once a month, at the beginning of the month, you get your box of Keto Crate goodies. Everything inside the box will have 5 grams of carbs or less, and they're all good quality ingredients. So let's see what we've got for this month. I'm also going to link below where you can get your Keto Crate, and if you click through my link and or use my code TOGOFF, T-O-G-O-F-F, you'll get the 25% off. So when we open a box, it tells you their mission statement. So let's see what we've got today. Talking about good fats, and always you'll receive a booklet with recipes and tips and tricks. This month, since Valentine's Day is in February, I'll tell you about some Valentine's Day things. Valentine, did I say Valentine? Valentine. Red velvet cupcakes. That sounds good. All right, you ready? Here we go. Let's see what's in here. Oh, first thing, it's a nice picture. Snack House cheeseburger puffs. Sounds interesting. Love Good Fats peanut butter chocolatey bar. This is good to stick in your bag, your purse, your car. Working out makes a good snack. What is this? Another stick. They like to send beef sticks, which is good. Salt and pepper. Oh, pork stick. This is a pork stick this month. That should be interesting. Here's Chocolate Zero Raspberry Dark Chocolate. Look at that. Can you see that? It's a rose. Valentine's Day. 110 calories per serving. Put that aside. Everything's nice and neat in this box. Look at that. I just dropped something. What did I drop? Better Than Good Foods Veggie Infused Protein Breakfast Puffs. Cinnamon roll. Oh, this kind of looks like cereal. Nice and crunchy. That would be great to try. Moon Cheese White Cheddar Black Pepper. Crunchy bites of savory fun. Moon cheese. I think moon cheese is just like baked cheese, no carbs. Just crunchy snacks. Those are really good. Good to Go Vanilla Almond Soft Baked Bar. Oh, that sounds good. This is another bar to put in your purse so you always have a snack with you. So if you're driving around, you have to worry about what you can eat. Kiss My Keto, dark chocolate, pumpkin seeds, and sea salt. I love pumpkin seeds. That sounds good. Oh my gosh. Be Still My Heart. Shrewd Keto Dippers Milk Chocolate. They look like melted milk balls. I can't wait to dive into this. I bet this is going to be my favorite of the box. Super Coffee. Protein MCT Oil Mocha Flavor. Stick that in your refrigerator right away. Front Porch Pecans Sea Salt. Well, this is a big bag of pecans. You get a lot of stuff in these crates. I mean, a lot. It's worth the price. You know, because sometimes if you want to try something, you buy a package of some treat and you don't like it. You're stuck with a big box. This way, you've got a whole bunch of different items. You can choose what you like or you don't like, and then you can go buy a full size. So this is Simply Delicious Natural Chocolate Flavor Instant Pudding Mix. And lastly, we have sea salt and cracked black pepper flavored pork rinds fried in sunflower oil. I like to use pumpkin rinds as a breading. What did I say? Pumpkin rinds?
You said pumpkin rinds.
I like to use pork rinds. See, I've got that pumpkin on my brain. I like to use pork rinds as a coating because I don't like pork rinds separately at all as a snack. So what I do is I smash them up really well. I use a food processor. I mix in some seasonings. Then I'll take some chicken or a pork chop and I'll coat it with either mayonnaise or mustard and dredge it in pork rinds and either fry it on the stove or air fry, and it's really good. It's really good. The coating outside is crunchy. So there you go. A lot of items. Remember, go to the link that I'm going to post and click on it. Click through And if for some reason you're someplace where you can't click my link and you just go to ketocrate.com, type in TOGOFF and you will still get that 25% off. And then each month, a box will come to you. Now, in case you're out of town or you want to skip a month, that's not a problem. You won't lose your discount. You'll just go to the website and you'll say, hey, skip next month. They'll say fine, and they'll send you one the following month. All right, so I will be back next month with March. Please follow me on YouTube so you'll be the first to see the video. I'm on Facebook, This Old Gal. My blog is This Old Gal Cooks, where you'll find tons of low carb and keto recipes. I've actually lost 76 pounds now since last March 1st, so it's almost a year. And I eat really well, and the weight is just coming off without much effort. Twitter and Instagram, I'm This Old Gal Cooks, but on the other social media, just This Old Gal. Bye everyone, I'll see you March 1st.